Hi, welcome to the Supreme Court Judges eLibrary tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover all the features and benefits of the platform so you can take maximum benefit of the eLibrary. The library sits at scjl.refread.com. To access the library collections and all its features, you must first log in into the platform. For many features like the ability to save content into reading lists or to place item requests, login is mandatory. The logged in activity also helps us understand your reading and your research interests better. And that will help us build more features and expand the eLibrary collection further. Now let's look at the platform. Visit scjl.refereed.com. The first thing that you need to do is log in. So click on this login button here and use your login details to access the eLibrary. If you face any issues logging into the platform, feel free to reach out to us at the email address provided in the footer, that is support@refreed.com. As soon as you log into the platform, you have full access to all its collections and services. You can check the print collection of the library, access Digi SCR, ESCR and the daily news clippings uploaded by the library team. You can also check the notice board to easily access the daily news clippings. You can track all your past readings on the homepage here. Keep up with all the latest content which has been acquired in the library like ebooks, e-journals and video lectures recommended by the library staff. Whatever content is being read most at the Supreme Court shows up in the trending section on the homepage. You can browse content by databases and publications. These are all the prominent subscribed publishers that are licensed by the SCJL library. So if I click on this link for live law here, the platform link will appear. Just click on the read button to navigate to the publisher platform. The publisher platform will recognize you as an authenticated user of SCJL and you will have full text access to all the news articles. You can read the full text in HTML format or download the PDF. In addition to the subscribed content, we have also curated legal open access eResources from many green and gold standard repositories. You can access these ebooks, e-journals, articles, lectures and videos for your learning and research needs. You can browse e-content by media as well. Let's click on this link for Hamlin lectures here. You will find 60 plus lectures curated. Most importantly, the SCJL library has also curated some collections and you can check them under the collections section like digital current content, chronicle newsletter, daily news clipping and rules. Just click on View Resources to access all the resources of the particular collection, like news clipping to access monthly and daily news clippings. You can also use the sort option to sort the news by date. Now let's see how you can search for eResources on the platform. We are going to start with a simple keyword search like criminal justice. The platform first shows me all the publications matching my search query. I can drill down the search results using these filters for year, accessibility, media, authors or publishers. If I switch over to the article tab, the platform will broadcast my search query to all subscribed journals and databases and fetch the latest and most relevant research articles or news articles. You can also limit your search query to a particular media type in the basic search bar like this, or use the advanced search form for more complex queries. On every search result, you will see this Add to Reading List button. You can click it to add this result to your favorites or any folder for future reference. You can create as many folders as you want and tag as many resources as you need to. Those folders. You will find all your saved documents and folders here in the reading lists. You can export the references of all saved documents in more than 1000 citation styles. Just search for the citation style and click on the Generate Citation button to build references of multiple documents in one go. All the collections, services, and features demonstrated in this video can be accessed not just through the eLibrary web portal, but also through the SCJL eLibrary mobile apps available on both iOS App Store and the Android Play Store. You can download these apps to your phone and access all SCJL library collections on the go. We request you explore the eLibrary platform and share your feedback and suggestions on the email addresses provided in the footer. Happy reading!